These YouTube channels, Low Budget Story, Zero Budget Story, and Lord Wojak, are completely dominating social media. Every upload pulls in millions of views. And the crazy part? They all use the same animation style. So we decided to break it down step by step, and even built a full system to recreate these animations using AI.
Look at this video that I created using AI video.
Can't believe it. After all these years, I actually graduated law school. Everyone said I wouldn't make it, that I'd drop out, that I'd end up scrolling memes forever. And honestly, they were kinda right. I did scroll memes, a lot, but somehow I made it. And now, I'm officially a lawyer.
Yo, chat, listen, I gotta tell y'all something crazy. Like, damn, bro, this guy Wojak won a multi-million-dollar lawsuit.
Yeah, bro, life's been great. I can drive the most expensive cars I want. Like, I pull up in a Lambo like it's nothing. I go to the nicest restaurants, 5-star, everything, lobsters, caviar, champagne. To be honest, I don't even look at the price anymore.
In this video, I'll show you exactly how these WOJ-style scenes are made, and how you can create them yourself using Higgsfield, one of the most powerful AI video platforms available right now. If you've ever watched a Lord Wojak video and thought, how are they making these scenes so fast? How are they keeping the characters consistent? How are they turning simple images into full animated stories? This video answers all of that. We'll cover image creation, animation, voiceovers, and full storytelling, all using AI, and I'll show you the exact workflow.
First, we need a YouTube channel. To get started, I used ChatGPT and simply typed, "Give me 50 usernames for a Wojak YouTube channel." One name really stood out, Wojak Reality. I added one more word and went with Wojak Reality Show. Create channel, entered the name, and that's it. The channel was created. Next, we need a profile picture and banner. This profile picture was generated using Higgsfield, Wojak holding a camera. It fits the storytelling theme perfectly. I then added the channel name. Here's the final result. Now comes the most important part, creating high-quality Wojak scenes. Inside ChatGPT, I paste our scene prompt and click Generate. Here are all the prompts for the scene. We'll copy the first one. Now we head over to Higgsfield. Inside Higgsfield, we go to Image Generation and select Nano Banana Pro, also known as Nano Banana 2. This is one of the most accurate image models available right now. Settings. Paste the prompt, upload a Wojak headshot as the main reference, upload NPC reference images for normal people or bystanders, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, set the resolution to 2K. Now, by default, you can generate only one image at a time, but since we want a faster workflow, we increase it to 4 images at once. As you can see, the results are incredibly clean. Wojak looks consistent, the bystanders appear in classic WOJ style based on our reference images, and the scene feels authentic. You can even turn real people into Wojak style characters. We tested this with streamers and celebrities, and Nano Banana handled it perfectly. Same face structure, same outfit, same vibe, but fully in Wojak style. That's when we realized this tool is gold. Alright, for this final example, we go back to ChatGPT and we want, once again, male, and we do want bystanders in the scene. In this case, we're setting this scene in a 5-star restaurant where Wojak is eating lobster. Once everything is confirmed, the GPT will now start to write its output. We'll copy the first prompt and use it in Higgsfield. This time, however, we need to upload 3 character reference images, Wojak himself, a gold digger character, and the NPCs as bystanders sitting at their own tables in the restaurant. After all 3 are uploaded, I'm increasing the output to 4 because we want fast generations, and then we hit generate to see what the AI cooks up. As you can see, the results are done, and honestly, they all look super clean. Let's take this image as an example. So, we started testing it with other celebrities. We took Ronaldo's latest bicycle kick and turned it into a full WOJ-style cartoon. We tried a photo of Mr. Beast with Cristiano, and it handled that perfectly too. It even recreated Messi's famous celebration against Real Madrid. And Kai and Rise's first ever meetup at 7-Eleven, it nailed that as well. And when creativity really kicks in, the possibilities are endless. Now let's animate these scenes. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the animation prompt for the first image. Back in Higgsfield, go to Video Generation and select Dance Pro. Upload the image as the first frame, paste the prompt, enhance off 1080p resolution. Click Generate. The result is smooth, sharp 2D animation, no downscaling, no jitter. But there's no voice yet. So I also tested animation with audio. This time in Video Generation, select Kling 2.6. I upload the image and paste the image prompt provided by ChatGPT, including the dialogue. Make sure audio is enabled, set the duration as you want, keep the aspect ratio at 16:9, and click Generate. Within seconds, here's the result: video with synced audio. And there's another way inside Higgsfield. In Video Generation, you'll find the lip sync feature. Click on it, and you'll see that the Kling Avatar 2.0 model is selected. This is one of the most powerful tools for video generation on the platform. You can also choose other models like Kling 2.6 Lip Sync, Google VO3, and WAN 2.5 Speak. However, those models only support short durations, up to 10 seconds, 8 seconds, and 15 seconds. Kling Avatar 2.0, however, allows videos up to 5 minutes, which is why I'm going with this option. I simply paste my basic ChatGPT prompt, click Generate, and within seconds, here it is. And that's the full system. From a blank YouTube channel to full WOJ-style animated stories powered by AI. Huge thanks to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. All links, tools, and resources are in the description. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like, subscribe, and comment what kind of WOJ scene you want to see next.